Good afternoon, our dear listeners at home. We are here to bring a short tutorial on how to use a single printer on two systems. Let us assume we have system A and system B, and we have a single printer here. So all what we have to do is just to configure a crossover cable from system A to system B. So we do some kind of little configuration between system A and system B. Then we have a cable linking the printer to system A. So to system A. Now our A is the server because it's the one that is having the resources that we want to share between system A and system B. So by now we have to do some kind of configuration on our system A and system B. Firstly, let's do some kind of configuration on system A. What you have to do is just you go to the adapter setting of system A. Adapter setting is always at the right, bottom right of your system. You just click bottom right of your system on the LAN signal at the bottom right of your system. So click open network and sharing center. Open change advanced sharing. When you get to change advanced sharing, you turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing, you turn on password protected sharing if you wish to use password. But if you don't want to give the client the password before they access your printer, you turn it off. But if you want them to issue out password before they can be able to use the printer, you turn on the password. But if otherwise, you turn off the password. After you might have done all this, you save changes. My own changes has been saved there already, so that's why it's not displaying save changes. But in your own case, it's going to display save changes. Then you save changes, then you close. So from that, after you might have through with that, you right click again, you go to open network and sharing center. From that, you go to adapter setting. From the adapter setting, you right click on your Ethernet. From Ethernet, you check properties. From properties, you go to IP version 4. Then you go to properties. From that, you choose this one is obtain an IP address automatically. Why this one is use the IP address. This one is static. Why this one is dynamic? You choose a static IP address where you configure your IP address to be 192.168.50.3, while your subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. You OK it, then you close. Then from that, you have successfully configured the system A. Going to system B now, you do the same thing on system B. You go to network open network and sharing center of system B, your system B. On getting there, you go to change adapter setting. From here, you go to properties. Mind you, we are on system B now. From system B, you go to version 4 of your system B. You go to properties. Mind you, this one will be in automatic before. Initially, it will be on automatic. Now you click use the following IP. From the following IP, you use the same IP you use on system A, except the last figure. So that's 192.168.50. Instead of .3, you choose .4 in order to avoid IP conflict. Here, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then you OK then you close. So now doing this, that means we've successfully configured the two systems successfully. Mind you, you have to share your printer. You have to share the printer that is connected to system A before this system B will be able to see the printer. How are you going to share? I showed you how you are going to share the printer the other time. What you are going to do is you go to adapter setting, open network and sharing center, you go to change advanced sharing, then you turn on file and printer. You turn on file and printer sharing, then you save changes, then you exit. Once you exit, this system will be able to see the printer. How are we going to access the printer from system B? What you just need to do, if you use Windows 8, you go to your search button, you type run, then you input the IP address of your server. Once you input the IP address of your server, 169.192.168.1.3, 192.168.50.3, that is the IP address of your server. Then you press OK. Once you press OK, the printer and the file, instead of this dialog box, what is going to show, provided you configure your systems, your two systems successfully, you configure them fine, what is going to display there is your printer and the folder. Then what you need to do is just to install your printer. Once you install your printer on system B, you are able to print from system B also, and you will be able to print on system A also. Thank you very much for listening. If you like our tutorial, if you like our tutorial, kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe below to enjoy most of this kind of tutorial. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.